Crypto 2025 is looking more exciting and unpredictable than ever. But amid thousands of tokens and projects, three giants still lead the way. In this video, we'll explore the top 3 cryptocurrencies you must watch in 2025 and what makes each one so powerful. Let's start with the king itself, Bitcoin, the world's first cryptocurrency, often called as digital gold. It is still the largest by market cap and adoption. With a limited supply of just 21 million coins, Bitcoin represents scarcity and trust in a decentralized future. Though volatile, institutions continue to buy and hold, proving that Bitcoin is here to stay. Next up, Ethereum. If Bitcoin is digital gold, Ethereum is the digital internet. It powers smart contracts, NFTs, DeFi, and thousands of dApp. With Ethereum 2.0 upgrade, it's faster, greener, and ready for mass adoption. Developers trust Ethereum because it's flexible and constantly evolving. At number 3, you have Tether USDT. It's a stable coin designed to keep its value approximately equal to 1 USD, helping traders escape the crypto volatility. Every time markets crash or surge, USDT becomes a safe harbor. It may not move, but it is the backbone of crypto liquidity, used in almost every exchange worldwide. So there you have it, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Tether. Each plays a unique role in the crypto universe, from store of value to smart contracts to global payments. Remember, the market is volatile, so always research before you invest. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more finance and crypto insights. Until next time, stay curious and invest smart.